I need to exercise more. I need to exercise more. I want to lose weight. I want to lose weight. I will send you a present. I will send you a present. I prefer apples over all other fruits. I prefer apples over all other fruits. I like to travel by car. I like to travel by car. Apples is my favorite fruits. Apples is my favorite fruits. We will come to visit you. We will come to visit you. I like spending time in the countryside. I like spending time in the countryside. Never give up on your goals. Never give up on your goals. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I'd like to register for the lottery. I'd like to register for the lottery. What time works for you? What time works for you? I can give you a hand with that. I can give you a hand with that. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. I love to explore new places. I love to explore new places. Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? I'm thirsty. I need a glass of water. I'm thirsty. I need a glass of water. This phone is very expensive. This phone is very expensive. The chocolate cake is delicious. The chocolate cake is delicious. I listen to music in my free time. I listen to music in my free time. I will sleep early tonight. I will sleep early tonight. I am so tired. I am so tired. The pharmacy will close early today. The pharmacy will close early today. The movie was absolutely fantastic. The movie was absolutely fantastic. He forgot his keys in my car. He forgot his keys in my car. I borrowed a book from the library. I borrowed a book from the library. He fell in love at first sight. He fell in love at first sight. He made an important decision. He made an important decision. There is a pharmacy near the stadium. There is a pharmacy near the stadium. You have a very nice daughter. You have a very nice daughter. Thanks for saying that. Thanks for saying that. No one is at home. No one is at home. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. Where do you work? Where do you work? How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
Let's take a break.
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 Let's take a break.